Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Now. Today we're going to study how we will change our app icons and the Flutter app development. Yeah, so very easy. So if you look at the simulator, you can see I have several apps here, but all of them are using the default Flutter icons. Good. So what we do today is to simply learn how to change the Flutter app icons. Good. So what we have to do first is to first get our icons ready. Good. Icon is simply image where we use to represent our apps. Good. So mostly we need to get different sizes for each of the phone screens. So what we have to do to make our work easy is to go to a site with a URL app icon dot co. Yeah, let's enter appicon.co. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to simply generate our app icon for the app. We're gonna change that. So I'm gonna upload an icon here, or I think it's on my desktop. So yeah, desktop is here. So yeah, so I choose the tech now. Yes, and then I uncheck iPad. We don't want to do for iPad. Watch macOS. No. So we leave it. We leave the check ones, that is iPhone and then Android. Yeah, just these two. Then we go generate. Let me add a name. Let's say tech. Yeah, tech is okay. Then I click on the generate button. Okay. So it's gonna download the icons for me. Okay, so it's gonna be in a zip format. Let me see. Okay, let me save that first. Okay, so it's gonna finish downloading. All right, so it's done. So I open show finder. Okay, so we have the up icon here. Okay, so I open that. Good, so this looks good. We have the two folders that has been generated for us. We have the Android, and then we have the assets. This one is for the iOS. So first we need to first open our Visual Studio, and then first work with the Android folder. So what we have to do is click on Android, as you can see the files Android here, and then drop down the src, and then you drop down the main. So you're gonna see this folder called the res. Yeah, so you can see this. Okay, so you right click and then you click on the review in finder. Okay, so let's put this side to side. We have the review and finder main here. Then I click on the resources. Let me open this a bit wider. Okay, let me do this so that we can see all the folders in here. Good, so we have this here, and then so we're gonna copy the resources in the Android folder. So as we can see, we have the map. So what we have to do is to delete all the map, and then you drag all this from the one we generated from the appicon.co. Then I drag all in here. Very simple. Okay, let's do the same for the iOS as well. So I close the Android. Let me go into the iOS. Okay, so iOS, you go to runner, then you go to assets.xc assets. Good. So review in Finder. Okay, so I have that one here. Let me close the Android one. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so this is the assets.xc assets. All right, so we check the one in the code. So we have this, as you can see. Yeah, okay. So what we have to do is to simply drag this app icon into this. But before, let me delete this one. This one is the default one for, yeah, default one for the app. So I delete this and then drag the one we generated from the appicon.co. Okay, good. So now I have it all set now. I have all in there. So as we can see, we can check whether we actually have the icons in here. Oh, good, correct. So you can see, let me check the Android. Okay, we go to apps, SRC, and then we go to main res folder. Then we can check the map. Okay, good. So that is in here. So what we're gonna do is to first check here. The name of this application is the first Flutter app. So we're gonna change the icon. This we have already replaced all the all the images in the app folders. So what we have to do is to simply run the app. If you don't know or this source code or you have not watched this video, I recommend you go check our other video and also like, subscribe if you think you've studied or learned something new in this video. So let's run this and then let's see. So this is pretty simple. So I'm running the app to see whether we get our app icon change on the simulator. So it's still running here. So as it's running, let me quickly run you through again. Okay, so I go up here, just for you to be well abreast with the folders we worked in. One, we have the Android that have all the Android files and folders, and we have the iOS also here. So what we did was to simply generate the app icons on the site we just opened, that is appicon.co, appicon.co, and then we simply drag our icon inside, and then we unchecked the other ones we don't need, the platform we don't need, and then we generated the ones for Android and iOS only. So when you come to Android, under Android you see apps, you open apps SRC, you open SRC, you go to main, then you see res here means resource folder. Good. Then you can replace all this map. Good. So to actually get to the root, you right click and then click on the review in Finder. I'm using Mac, that's why you see review in Finder. In Windows you see explore, maybe explore folder or something of that sort. Good. So this is it. Then I change everything in here with the one we generated. Okay, so let me close this Android. Then I now go into the iOS drop down. Then you go to runner, not runner.xcode project or runner.xc workspace. No, you go first to runner here, and then you go down to this folder. Yeah, then you change here. So when you right click review, you're gonna see all this here. So it was changed. Good. So now our app has perfectly run. Let's now go and then see. Let's see the icon. Uh, Let me go back. Okay, boom. So you can see here. So the icon we changed. This is it. So I click again. Okay, and go back. Okay, so you can see the app icon actually changed here. So if I click on it, it opens the project for us. So that was very, very simple. So now you can run this both on iOS and also on Android to get the icon changed. Good. So this looks pretty cool. Looking at this, it really looks well. So just comment under the video if you have any questions. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. If you also have any suggestions, you can also comment down the box. If you like the video or you study something new, kindly subscribe to the channel and also click on the like button. If you also dislike the video, kindly click on the dislike and also comment why you don't like this video and if there's anything we can check and then improve upon it. Good. So see you. Peace. I'm out.